How to fix blurry images on Shopify products. So guys, if you've spent hours uploading gorgeous, crisp photos to your Shopify store, only to click onto your live products page and see pixelated blurry images, it's incredibly frustrating. This quality drop usually isn't your camera's fault, it's a common settings mismatch. So I'll show you exactly how to fix this step by step so your products look sharp and professional. Right, so the single biggest reason Shopify images look blurry is double compression. Many creators compress their images aggressively before uploading them to keep their site loading speeds fast. But here's the trick. Shopify's built-in content delivery network automatically processes and optimizes your files for you. If you upload an already compressed low-resolution image, Shopify compresses it the second time, leaving you with a blurry, muddy artifacts. So the guidelines to fix this, you just go back to your original photo, files or design canvas, and export photos. And exactly, let me show you the resolution. All right, guys, so the resolution you should be looking for is 2048 by the same amount. This should be the resolution in pixels. This is Shopify's golden resolution. It is large enough to support higher resolution desktop hover to zoom features, while keeping the file light enough for Shopify to compress on its own. So just save your photos as high quality JPEGs, also in terms of the file extensions, or also PNGs as well if you need transparent backgrounds, and then upload them. So if your uploaded image is already high res but still looks fuzzy on your collections page, your active theme is likely stretching or cropping your files to fit a mismatched layout grid. To adjust this, head to your Shopify admin, go to online store here, then select themes and hit customize or edit theme. Use the top drop-down menu to navigate to your default product page layout. Here we find product, okay, for example here. Then guys, use the settings panel on the left. Just click on the image here, right? And on the right here, look for image ratio or crop settings. For example, as you can see, aspect ratio. In my case, it's auto. So as you can see, the website already recognizes this picture as a portrait style. So portrait means that it's long, right? Not the widescreen. If your theme is set to force a strict square or portrait crop on files that are shot in a different layout, it will scale the images aggressively, causing them to distort. So change the setting to adapt to image if you have it. So do not use extend the image to screen edge. This will just pretty much tear them apart. And with these kind of settings, you should be good to go. That is it. So just keep in mind this resolution that I've shown you. Make sure to save in this resolution and be mindful of these settings on the right here in your website editor. Enjoy the guide. See you soon, guys.